Hi, I'm Mike Bartz from Sportsland. Welcome today. We are going to be looking at the 2022 Hideout 178RB. It's a nice sized trailer. It's approximately 21.5 feet long with a dry weight of only about 3,300 pounds, which makes it great for the smaller SUVs or smaller trucks in the industry. One thing I do like about the Hideouts is they do come with solid step entry, so you don't get that rocking motion when you step into a trailer. They don't get rusted up as they're up underneath as you're driving through the muddy roads and stuff like that. You simply just brush them off, you bring them up, and they will lock right in place. Another thing that the Hideout has is friction door hinges. So when you get those little gusty days, the door's not going to be flapping back and forth. It is designed to hold in windy conditions. You do have electric awning with LED lighting on the inside. So you can use your LED lighting whether the awning is in or it's out as well. As we continue on, we have pass-through storage, good amount of space here. Another thing that you'll find is a little digital controller right up here. It's a 15 amp controller because the 2022s do have the SolarFlex 200 system on it. So the controller will actually turn the batteries on, or the charging system on and off as the batteries are needed. So if it senses the battery is low, then it's going to turn itself on, and when it senses it's fully charged, it's going to turn itself off. They are prepped for solar on the side as well, so if you want to add, you can actually do the additional portable solar as well. In the front here, we still have the rock guard, which is nice. Get rid of those rock chips, okay? You do have a single propane tank on this, and you do have room for 2 batteries of your choice. Coming around to the other side, again, we have our door for the pass-through storage, access to the back of the refrigerator over here, your city water connection, your electrical, and you have one port here for your drainage for your gray and your black tanks as well. Your spare on the back as well. And then we do have a 6-gallon hot water tank as well in this. Freshwater connection. You have 110 volt right here. And you have a nice little spot for your dog leash as well if you carry pets or bring pets with you. It is a single axle. It has 27 gallons of fresh water, 30-gallon dry or gray tank, and black tank as well. So let's head inside and we'll take a look at some of the features there. So here we have a queen-size bed with storage underneath. Good amount of storage there. You put all your bigger items. I do like the good size closets on the side for your wardrobe. Some of them are pretty narrow, but these in the Hideouts are pretty good sized. We have your air conditioning system here. It's 13,500 BTU, okay? And your heater is actually 20,000 BTU as well. You have a 3 cubic foot gas and electric fridge. It'll keep everything cold. So if you're not plugged in, you're perfectly fine because it'll run off your propane as well. You have your microwave here, your thin profile fan ventilation system with lights, and then your good sized dinette here. You have storage underneath that you can access from the top, and then if you need the additional sleeping space, this will actually go right down into a bed for you as well. Good amount of cabinets right here, and even on the other side. You've got your cabinets up top, and then you've got your drawers underneath. From here, we have the bathroom. You have a 38-inch walk-in shower with, of course, hot and cold water. And you do have a separate vanity here or a sink, which a lot of the smaller units don't include, which is nice for just washing your hands, obviously, when you use the restroom, instead of going out where you're using the sink where you prep your food. that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you for watching the video. I'm Mike Bartz here at Sportsland. I appreciate your time. When you get a chance, come on down, take a look. We're at 4001 South State Street here in Murray, and get your hands on it. Feel the quality of the construction of the units. Thank you again.
Let Sportsland guide you to the dreams that live.